or not with the shits, no shifty shit. We ride with this stick, this shit get lit, need 5.
What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today got a cool day. Spelab sent me out a bunch of parts for a buddy of mine's truck. It's a Cummins 4th gen. Sent me out an intake horn, the grid heater delete kit, the plate, and they sent me out a delete kit for it. His truck is already deleted, so we probably switch out the plates, nothing crazy. All the gaskets, everything. I'll show you what the parts look like now. Here's the intake, the plate, grid heater plate, and here's all your fittings, all your hoses, everything you need. Wiring harnesses, everything. Thanks to Spelab that hooked me up for a buddy's truck. I will link everything in the description for you guys, and let's get into installing it.
So number one should be changed out.
Why we're doing the grid heater delete, and the nuts on this one look completely fine. This truck doesn't have a crazy amount of miles on it though, but just preventative. All right, we're gonna see if it starts. Hopefully it does. All right guys, this is your heater. Usually goes right there where that plug is. we're not going to use this. We don't need it. So we plugged it. All good. All right. Took us about, I'd say, 2.5 hours to do everything. I think the biggest thing, the fuel lines were kind of a pain in the ass. Other than that, not too bad, especially the back one was really bad. Other thing, right here, this plug. Usually you have to put a bolt in here. We eliminated the heater in here, so you got to put a bolt down through there. Make sure you read the instructions and do what they tell you to do. Use a magnet for that. If not, it's a nightmare. All right, trust me, we know. All right, other than that, great product, fit really well, looks good. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll link everything in the description for you guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.